Hi everyone! Welcome to American English with Sushil. If you want to improve your English faster, with more guidance, more practice, and more personal support, then I have something special for you. Yes, you can now join our channel membership. We have 2 powerful levels designed just for you. Number 1, Fluent Starter. For just $0.99 a month, you'll get special loyalty badges, custom emojis, early access to new videos, members-only shorts, and exclusive polls. Number 2, Fluent Family. For $2.99 a month, this is the best value. You get everything from the first level, plus member shoutouts, priority replies to your comments, personal guidance and support directly from me, and the most important one, downloadable PDF scripts and study notes for every lesson. These perks will help you learn smarter, practice daily, and stay motivated every single day. So don't wait. Click the join button below right now and become a part of our Fluent Family. Let's learn English together, the smart way. See you inside!